In this guide, I'm going to show you all of the working codes here in 2026 for Anime Squadron on Roblox and how you can redeem them. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, load into the game, and once you're in the lobby, you need to find the codes icon. If you select codes over on this left hand sidebar, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you could join the Discord server to get the codes. You don't have to do that though, since we're going over every single one of them, and there is a lot of them. So one thing to keep in mind, make sure you're typing these in exactly as I'm showing them on screen here in this video. Capital letters matter, special characters matter, numbers matter, so make sure you type it in exactly like this. The first code is going to be release exclamation mark. Go ahead and hit redeem code and you'll get a ton of different rewards. Now the cool part is the codes don't disappear until you click it again. But if you guys have to pause at any point, make sure you do that. Now this next one you do have to be level 5, so keep that in mind, but it's going to be crazy support exclamation mark. Go ahead and type that one in just like so, hit redeem, and as you can see it'll say requires level 5. This next one you have to be level 10, so go ahead and get to level 10 first, but it's everything is part of my plan, exclamation mark. Hit redeem code, it'll say it requires level 10. This next one, you also have to be level 10. It's Yokoso, exclamation mark. Hit redeem, it'll say requires level 15 actually. So make sure you're at least level 15. Don't worry, that's it for the level ones, at least for now. This next code is sorry for long maintenance, exclamation mark. Hit redeem. I lied, this one also does require level 10. Up next, we have thank you so much for 30k concurrent users. Hit redeem. Then you have thank you so much for 10k concurrent users. Go ahead and hit redeem. Then sorry for changes. Go ahead and hit redeem. Up next, we have thank you EA. Go ahead and hit redeem. And then finally, you have sorry for delay. Go ahead and hit redeem and you're good to go. That's really the full process though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.